everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today for my Face Beat Friday video I'm going to show you my brow routine. So to start, I like to shape my brows with a clear brow gel. Then I fill in starting at the bottom and using short strokes upward and across. When filling in the start of my brows, I like to use short sweeping motions upward to create a more wispy look. Then I like to blur the lines with my brow brush. Once my brows are all filled in, I outline them with concealer using a liner brush. And as I outline, I like to push the concealer outward to keep the highlight from looking too harsh. This keeps you from looking like you have crime scene eyebrows. No one wants that. Brush those brows once again. Make sure all your hair is perfectly in place. And then I like to use a brow blender, a beauty blender, or a sponge to blend the concealer even more. Some people like to do their brows after their foundation. I personally like to do my brows before my foundation, just so that it looks more effortless and clean. And so that's it, you guys. Quick and easy. Show me your brow looks in the comments below, and come back next week for another Face Beat Friday video. Peace.